Welcome back to my channel. This is a room tour of the Clarion Inn Suites in Fairbanks, Alaska. This is our room with 2 queen beds and a mini kitchen. When you first walk into the room, there's a big closet with an ironing board and iron. Then you have a coffee maker, 2-burner cooktop, sink and a microwave. They give you dishwashing liquid, silverware, plates and cups, kettle and a frying pan, and you also have a full-size fridge and an ice bucket, a sitting chair in the room, 2 queen-size beds, luggage racks for putting your luggage up, dresser, flat screen TV and a mirror, desk with a chair and a light for doing some work while you're on the road, and an alarm clock and a phone. And they've even got some Alaskan photos on the wall. And this is a first floor room. From the room, this is your view. And now we'll continue our tour into the restroom. And you have a towel rack, toilet, sink, and shower tub combination, and towel rack on the door. And that's the big closet that you have when you first walk in, so plenty of storage space. Well, thank you for watching my channel. Please like, subscribe, comment, follow along for more videos to come. Until next time.